Odumeje, see your house in the village. Now at the back, now you go see where then they bury people. The front of Odumeje's house. See what they are using. See where they are making their useless IEDs. My people, this is the front of Odumeje's house. You can see today, 24th of February, 2026. And the front of Odumeje's house. See what they are using. See where they are making their useless IEDs. Odumeje's house is their IED depot. See it here. This side of garden there. See Odumeje's house. They've stolen most of these things. See them. I'm going on. I don't want to get the personnel. I don't want to video the personnel. See it? Criminals. You see your house. Odumeje, see your house in the village and it's shaking. This building will definitely go down because they've destroyed so many things. Imagine. See, bullet holes everywhere. That's the valley down there. You see the valley. We'll check it soon and very soon. See the valley. Imagine. See how deep it is. But this side there, good maybe that they pump them. They decide they like level anything that moves there. Imagine palm grove. See the palm grove. You know how much these palm trees would have fetched. And criminals came here and decided to destroy the full community. Let me show you people. See. Even the down is worse than the up. Odumeje, see. Odumeje, remember your door. Your Chinese door. Remember your door. Odumeje, this is the work of the iPod BSN people you are supporting. And this house is literally shaking as I'm here. The wobble. It's wobbling. See the utobos. See what they are. They are even cooking inside here. No, let them know what they cook for here. See it here. As usual, you know they had them to run. This is Odumeje's father's house. Look at it. When this one will go down too. See how they destroyed the bath. Odumeje, see your property, Odumeje. Odumeje, see your house. Now at the back, now you go see where then they bury people. The back of this place now is their burial ground. Dead body will full here. Odumeje, and you are still supporting them. See your bath now. No bathroom. Odumeje na bathroom gi ka. Akwa jacuzzi gi dị nka. Tomorrow we'll go and support evil and tell me why it will not get to your home. So, Chukwu Emeka ọha na emere Odumeje. Achọrọ m ikwu oturu the Bible. Ụgwọ ọlụ mmehie bụ ọnwụ. The wages of sin is death. This is the reward for your sin and your iniquity. This is nothing personal. But I just want you to know that you've just received the reward for all the evil you've been supporting in the name of Biafra. You will not lie about your knowledge of what these people are doing. You know how much you've paid them over this house. Still, they've destroyed it. All the whole foundations all the joints there they are shaking. So the building is about to go down. Even as I am on it now. No, it's even as I am on it now, it's shaking. The structural integrity of this building has been compromised. After all your support, did you save your house? No. Go to Africa. Did you save your house? No. Stand there, camera. Did he save your house? No. Did he save you? No. You did not still buried your parents. The same thing you are running from is what has happened. I don't want to show back of this way because there are a few personnel here. But look at the walls. This is just the best of them all. This whole is just the best of them all. You are going to... I wish anyone would make a real video of this and send to you so you see the reward for the evil you've been supporting in your own community. In your own community, you won't deny what you've paid them, all the money you've given them, and how much have you paid for your security. Bring it to you. The one way to academia. How much have you given to your own people for the security? All these works. Look at how men left everything they will be doing just to come and save your community. You are on air supporting Nnamdi Kanu because you are looking for all these his political benefactors to also patronize you. And also people can be and all the